Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to tear this leaf and make multiple cut like we're doing here using scissors. Now paste all of them and make this tree. Decorate it further and it's ready. Let's decorate your lollipop for gift. We are going to draw the horns and look, your reindeer is ready. Make a hole and put lollipop inside those holes and it's ready for gift purpose. You can make more such. We're going to cut a ring from cardboard, make a hole and put the ribbon, staple it. Now we are going to paste all the toffees using double-sided tape on the top of the ring and look, your beautiful Christmas wreath is ready. In this video, we are going to make our craft. So we are going to put both of them together using toothpick and we are making reindeer here. So color it brown, paste eyes. Similarly, we're also making the horns using craft paper. Put all of them together like we're doing here. You can also put a hanging and look, it's ready. Let's make a decoration craft for Christmas Day. So make multiple fold and make a triangular shape using this white paper. Draw snowman and Christmas tree, cut it, color it and look, it's ready. In this video, we're going to make a colorful craft for Christmas Day. So color the socks and cut it and we are going to put all the ornaments on the top of it, color it further like we're doing here. Now crumple some tissue paper and paste it on the top of it and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.